Another way to take advantage of market development is to partner with local distributors. Remember what I said about the downsides of entering a new market: cultural barriers, regulatory barriers, competition. It's not a market you're familiar with, so a number of things can hit you. So one way you can go about it is to partner with local distributors. There are businesses in your target market that want to sell your products, that are looking for ways to compete in that market. They're looking for products that will help them stand out. And your product can be that product. So imagine you sell CCTV systems in Lagos, right? And there are businesses in Abuja that install CCTV systems, but they don't import into the country like you do. So instead of you in Lagos, you import, you install. The guys in Abuja, some of them they only install, but they buy the CCTV systems from the market. You can have a special arrangement with them where you become their exclusive supplier. They only install your CCTV system, but you give them special rates, special prices. That will make them want to partner with you. So without even going into Abuja, you have your product selling in Abuja, but through your local partners, through local distributors. This thing I'm telling you, in many countries in Africa, many businesses in Africa have become very lucrative on the back of this. Do you know how many businesses in China have not entered Africa, but are doing business through their local partners? Most of the accessories you buy for phones are from local distributors that are supplied from China. Most of the parts, generator parts, motorcycle spare parts that you buy are being imported into the country by local partners who have their suppliers in China. So for the Chinese manufacturer, think about it. You hear all these things about Africa. Africa is a difficult market. Africa is this, and you're a Chinese person. You're going to find it difficult to enter the African market or the Nigerian market. But what if you can find good and reputable local partners, local distributors? If you can find those, you don't need to incur the cost of coming into Nigeria or coming into Ghana, coming into South Africa, coming into Kenya. You can partner with those local partners and through them sell your products. The local partners know the market. It's their market. The local partners have existing relationships with regulators, potential customers. The local partners understand the competition. They are not newcomers. It's their base. So instead of you coming in as a new player and start to get used to all the troubles that will come with market entry, you can go through local partners to overcome those challenges and have a presence in that market without being physically present in that market. Another model of what I've just told you is franchising and licensing. In the last 10 years, we've had KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken, Burger King, Domino's Pizza, Johnny Rockets. All of these brands I've just mentioned are international fast food chains. I know McDonald's is in Africa, is in South Africa, is in Morocco, not yet in Nigeria, right? So what these businesses have done is, instead of coming into the Nigerian market, they give licenses to businesses and franchisees to move on with their business. So most people will know that most these fast food chains are franchises that are based on companies in the US or Europe who sold the franchise rights to their local partners to do business. Another one you may not know about is the licensing. Software, where many of these IT companies or software companies do this. You have a company in India that has developed a software, maybe for payroll or for accounting or for something interesting, an Indian company, they are based in India. You will then have a company in Nigeria or Ghana or Kenya or South Africa talk to that Indian company to get the licensing rights for Nigeria or for West Africa or for Africa. If you think about it, the next time you want to buy antivirus or you want to buy, you will notice when you go to the website, they will direct you to based on your IP address, they will direct you to the regional office. Antivirus for Kaspersky, for example, an antivirus product, I think is based in South Africa. So if you want to buy the antivirus, it's sold through their local partner in South Africa. The partner in South Africa has the license for Africa. So this is another opportunity, which is that if there's a product that is doing well outside of Africa, you can either become a franchisee or get the license rights or get the exclusive agency rights or something, exclusive distributor rights, and then you become their local partner here. So if it is working for international companies in Africa, you can use the same within Africa. If you're in Lagos and you want to enter another market, you can give licenses or something instead of doing the business directly. It can save you a lot. If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building and growing a business. This is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, jointhebmg.com.